National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hardin County, Illinois, central Pope County, Illinois, northern Livingston County, Kentucky, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Golconda, or 19 miles east of Vienna, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rosiclare, Golconda, Berna, Joy, and Carsville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin and Pope, and Livingston, Kentucky.